Security breach. All relevant personnel proceed to the hangar for deployment.
All right, Lunar Marais Defense Force, order it.
Hostile units incoming. Peacekeepers prepare
What's this
for
new
combat.
toy? Got a name?
Name's Aleseness, a latest break striker, beefed up with extra armor.
Code red. Code red.
Main cabin breach. Hangar on fire. Explosion in the elevator's midsection. Garrison's lower section disintegrating. Warning. Oxygen level below 20.9%. Warning. Oxygen level below 19.5%.
Oh yeah, baby. Pyrogenesis Striker. I'm practically at home.
Aleseness initiated. Mind projection system activated. Injecting EIC particles. Initiating system diagnostics. Structural integrity confirmed. Critical damage. Initiating emergency repair. Corite engine power supply confirmed. Incoming urgent message from Space Garrison. Attention! We are under attack from Thea's Vanguard. Significant damage confirmed.
Lock-on disabled.
Self-destruct activates in 120 seconds. All units evacuate immediately.
Okay, working escape pod would be nice. I need a plan Bravo.
Warning! Under attack. Fluid armor activated. Fire control system enabled. Calibrating weapon system. Energy autocannon and induced sword are combat ready. initiates in 10 seconds.
Leash this, stabilize us. Adjust thrusters, drop us down, pronto.
Breaching Earth's gravity. Breaching Earth's gravity.
Hooah! On fire!
System overheating. Rebooting system. Fluid armor depleted. Power supply failure. System troubleshooting initiated. Warning. Fluid armor depleted.
Striker, good job.
Fluid armor
I think I'll marry you.
regenerating.
Where's the orbital elevator? And who or what did this right here? Business? Contact the nearest Peacekeeping Corps HQ.
Urgent communication incoming from friendly ground base.
Pilot, this is Zone 48. Confirm identity. Over.
Peacekeeper 98213 reporting.
Pilot, we were also blindsided by TS Vanguard. The garrison's debris has wreaked havoc on us. Unable to provide support. Over.
Copy, copy. What can I do?
A colossal striker from TS Vanguard is in the area. Take cover if you see an incoming...
High-threat target acquired.
Warning. Armor integrity at threshold.
I need an airdrop. Pronto!
Initiating armor airdrop.
You may switch your main weapon from energy autocannon to battle halberd. Battle halberd can bypass enemy fluid armor and cause significant damage. You may also use Gauss cannon to attack. Gauss cannon's powerful impact can immobilize the target. Use complex shields to stun same-sized enemy with a perfect block.
Nothing Lumine can't fix.